this is definitely gonna be your bestie because I am going to use a tip of it. If you don't have a 3D brush, it's fine. You can using an orange wood stick. It works as well. This one will give you a lot of like if you don't have, just in case you don't have a 3D dual brush, is one end is Kolonsky 100% for you to do 3D acrylics. On this end you are using it for using with the Omega gels to create a 3D flowers, and all 3D is nail art, and then is 4D gels and also 5D gels. So just in case that on this end the silicone it has any of the residues on the dust, you just need to use it alcohol and wipe it off, so then it's really nice and cleans again for you. So what I am go ahead and do, so when you are getting on Omega gel, this is the brand new one that I got. This one is the one that I just opened, so, and then the other one I already used it all up. So this is hard. I'm not touching my finger, it is hard. So this is not that something that you're going to use with the brush because you can't pick it up with the brush. Okay, so the consistency is was designed for your gel extension and then a 3D flower. So if you open it and you feel like it's hard, it's not like hard is not supposed to be picked up with the brush. So what you're doing, we are go ahead and pick up, is already have a base gel here for all of you just tuning in, and I here for 10 seconds already. So now you are go ahead and scoops it a little bit out of the jars. Make sure you close it, even if you don't squeeze it in tight, just close it like this, because sometimes we'll get so excited and we'll forgot that it's right in front of the LED light. It's gonna clear your gels, and you don't want to lose your bottle or the jars of really great Omega gel, because then it's gonna accidentally clear everything. So I'm gonna using the tip as tag free, so there's no tacky layer at all. This is will avoid you don't have to touch your hand in, and I'm gonna spread it on the sides and make sure that when you are laying on the tips, they will really outlines and spread it evenly in the nails, so it's good. And now we'll go ahead and can you see that is like a part of it of the tip. So you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you on the angle like this, so hold it about 45-degree angle like this, so then that way you don't squeeze your Omega gels out. So this is gonna help to outline your tips on the nails nicely without having any of the air pockets. So gently press it down, and you can add more of Omega gels or less. It depends on the nail plate. Some of the clients have a longer nail plate, some had the shorter. This also is really good for like people, the clients who is beating their nails. What did I do with sticky on this one? I'm gonna use this part and remove any of the excess, and pretty good. You see that? You don't have to holding your flashlight on your mouth no more. You don't have to ask your client to hold it for you, or someone next to you will able to do it for you. It's already bam. 30-second flash here. Now you can using a flashlight, you can using another hand to put the flashlight on, but you don't have to hold the mouth, because and the traditionals that we have is gel extensions glue, which is that you can see another different video. We use it for gel for the rebalance after 2 weeks. The clients want to come back and want the same length but want to feel it and the grow out. You can use a gel extension tips glue gels to able to feel this. So now I'm going to flash here for 30 seconds.